caramelized onion pasta. I will make it with you today with some shrimp on the top. It's very fast and very delicious. And if you don't have shrimp, no problem, it won't affect the recipe. In a preheated pan, melt some butter. Add 200 grams of cooked and freezed shrimp, or you can use some fresh shrimps if you want. Put some salt and black pepper. Let them take this color on both sides, then remove it from the pan. Add enough butter with 2 sliced onions. Leave it on medium heat until they caramelize. In a boiling salted water, add 250 grams of spaghetti. Remove it from the water before it's fully cooked, because it will sit in the sauce for a few minutes. When the onion starts to caramelize, add 4 garlic cloves cut into thin slices. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of dried parsley, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. 200 milliliters of cooking cream. And put with you 2 cups of boiling pasta water. Add 1 cup at first, then you can add more if you want. Taste the sauce and add salt if you want. Now when the sauce is ready, you can add the spaghetti. Mix it very well and let it sit for a few minutes on medium heat. Now you can add the shrimp and some chili flakes on the top. The smell in the kitchen is amazing. You have to try it to know what I'm talking about. صحتين وهنا.